The M7 Werewolf HD camera is an ultra-long-range surveillance system intended for applications like border surveillance, maritime surveillance, critical infrastructure surveillance, even surveillance of human targets at closer range to do facial recognition. The M7 Werewolf utilizes two different payloads. One is a thermal payload, high definition, using a 200 to 1200 millimeter continuous zoom lens, which can detect a human out to about 18 kilometers, recognize a human to about 9 kilometers, and identify a human to about 6 kilometers. The other payload is a visual payload using a 16 to 2000 millimeter visual day-night camera. Works both in day and in low light at dusk and dawn. Again, the detection, recognition, identification range are identical to the thermal camera. The advantage to the operator that uses this type of camera is they have very, very long standoff distance. So when they do find a target, for instance, they need to determine quickly whether it's a threat or not. And what these long-range cameras allow them to do is not only determine whether it's a human, an animal, or a vehicle, but they can determine if the human target is carrying a weapon versus a shovel, say a machine gun or an RPG. So they can do that at ranges out to 7, sometimes 9 kilometers. In this instance, we're looking at a water tower that's about 4¼ kilometers away. And in the high definition image on the visual side, we can easily distinguish the catwalk or hand railing around the side of the water tower, and we can see the writing on it. When we're looking at long ranges, we typically have a very disturbed atmosphere. There's a lot of thermal disturbance going on. There's either water vapor, there could be rain, there could be fog. So we have video processing that we can engage to mitigate, say, the heat shimmer, or to sharpen up the contrast of the image. These are the longest focal length thermal and visual cameras available in the industry, and because they are high definition, they are also state-of-the-art, giving you the best detection, recognition, and identification available in a long-range surveillance camera.